So I know many of you guys have not seen a core removal tool in action for old 12 systems. A lot of you guys around the world still work. Oh no. Well, that was my new valve core that just went down in the Never Never Land. Okay, so let's get another one, drop another one. Okay, got another one. So let's get rid of one of these old ones. This is an old funky one. So that's an old one from 1986. And let's put on a brand new one. There we go. We now got the brand new one in there. Let's shut this. There we go. We're still running. I'm not even going to turn it off or anything. Take off the line. Put the new valve core. Wait a minute, that's the wrong one. That's a dirty old one. Take the new valve core. Put the new valve core in there. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Open it back up. Now we're open to the pressure. Go all the way down. Screw it in. That's it. You don't have to overdo them. They don't come out. They don't overtime. See that? Okay. Doing this one-handed is a little more tedious, but there you go. New valve core.